packet. I think I know.
Okay, in the rubble here we have found my favorite Makita lithium-ion drill. Now listen very closely.
Oh yeah, the light's on too.
Oh my goodness.
I love
Oh
you,
man.
Stan Makita.
This was my favorite drill.
The light's stuck on now.
For more than a few reasons, obviously. It's, you know, it was ratcheting, so lightweight. Man, you never had to charge it. And it's got some torque to it, too.
Wow.
This is ridiculously cool. And it's just like, at first when we triggered it, it just kind of went, "Arr."
Well, you know what? I think the bearings were probably seized.
Yeah.
I can't believe that thing's still operational.
Yeah, that's kind of a neat find.
Piece of wood here.
Okay, so not only does this Makita lithium-ion thing, after going through a fire, still work, but pull that bit out. Put that.
The big fat one.
We're gonna see if it still's got any mojo to it.
Try releasing the chuck. I don't think it's in there. Oh, here we go. I know this is bad form, but
it's important to protect these drill bits that survived the fire too.
yep. Oh.
Still ratcheting.
That's good material.
That's good craftsmanship. They don't make them like they used to.